Hey guys, what's up? Morning 5. Woke up to an orchestra of birds, turkeys, geese, beaver swimming around out here. I left my poles out all night, so who knows what's on there. I figured I'd let y'all check them with me. Wish of luck. Looks like we got another hole. That was a piece of cut channel cat. Caught a couple channel cats that were pretty small last night. That is I found out pretty good bait. Not a big one, but now he's gonna get tangled up in my line, I guess. There we go. He's gonna talk to us. All right. Oh, here you go. Here you go. All right, there's one. Now, the other one don't look like it's moved too much. Ooh. That's gonna be my breakfast right there. That's my breakfast fish. So yeah, out here, Old Muddy River, floating in kayak. That's what we got going on. So, Walmart kayak, Walmart rods, even the bait rods are Walmart. Beautiful river. Beautiful campsite. Lots of wildlife activity last night. This morning really was like waking up to a symphony or something. It was so loud. The birds were so loud and so many that it was just a non-stop song. And every so often you'd hear the turkeys calling, and that's always a special thing. But anyway, today's another day. I think it's day 5. I've done probably 25-30 miles of a float. And yeah, we're still going, guys. Tight lines.